Nearly 500 families, mostly women and children, forced to leave immigration detention centers in Karnes City and Dilley. Tonight, nonprofit groups and immigration advocates are stepping in after they were dropped off at a church in San Antonio. KXAN's Brittany Glass shows us how Central Texans are responding.
My grandparents were, on both sides, were immigrants. They didn't have to go into a detention center.
Elaine Cohen doesn't understand why families are being forced into detention centers.
All these women and children have been coming and escaping the violence.
When she heard about the latest detention release, she says she had to do something and traveled to San Antonio.
We spent the afternoon unpacking boxes of donations and sorting them.
Cohen's been volunteering at detention facilities like Karnes the past 5 years. But she says the facilities shouldn't exist in the first place.
It's wrong to have women and children who are fleeing violence imprisoned.
The immigration clinic at UT's School of Law says they'll continue working with detained women and children, fighting for their safety in the United States.
We hope to be there for those who may be currently seeking legal assistance so that we can provide representation.
While immigration officials are releasing hundreds of families, the detention facilities are still operating.
Unfortunately, it seems like they are still running full steam ahead.
What we can do is offer friendship and humanity to mitigate the incredible cruelty that they're being subjected to.
Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
As of Monday, there are more than 1,700 people in those family residential facilities in South Texas. The facilities do offer a number of services to immigrants who live there, including medical care on site, 3 meals a day, educational opportunities, and a library with internet access. Here's a look at the number of people being stopped at the border over the last 4 years. You can see in 2013 and 2014, more than 400,000 people in all were stopped trying to cross illegally. That's when Texas sent DPS troopers to the border to help an overwhelmed Border Patrol. Due to a number of factors, the total dipped. But last year, with a presidential campaign and a lot of talk about stricter border security, you can see those levels spiking again. Numbers for last month will be out soon, but October showed more than 13,000 undocumented families were processed by border agents. Another 6,700 unaccompanied children were also caught.